Hi, my name's Alan Coulson and I'm a portrait painter. I started out as a self-taught portrait painter and I've been fortunate enough to have my work exhibited as part of the BP Portrait Award on various occasions at the National Portrait Gallery in London. I've also produced pieces for clients including the New York Times Magazine, the Sunday Times Magazine and Bloomberg Markets Magazine. I usually work with oil paint as it is extremely versatile and has very vibrant colours. One of the benefits of using oil paint is that it is very slow to dry, so this gives us time to refine and adjust our work. The distinctive qualities of oil paint allow me to build up many layers of translucent paint to create paintings that are full of visual interest. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to make a realistic portrait in oil paint. For the final project, you will produce your own unique portrait in oil paint from a photographic reference. First, we will discuss the essential tools and materials that you will need to make your oil painting. Next, I'll teach you how you can approach your subject so you can create beautiful photos for your own personal reference. We'll make some sketches of the features to help us to create a more accurate and convincing composition. I'll teach you how to prepare your painting surface, trace and transfer your image ready for painting, and how to prepare your workspace so we're all set up to make our portraits. We'll be exploring my personal approach to establishing tone, form and light so that you can produce your own visually interesting dynamic painting. We will discuss ways to protect and preserve your painting as well as how to share your painting, particularly on social media. By the end of this Domestika course, you will know my own techniques and approaches to making realistic and meaningful portraits. To follow my steps, previous experience of drawing and painting would be helpful, but not entirely essential. You'll need a set of oil paints, brushes, solvent, acrylic gesso primer, also a palette and a surface to paint on. You'll also require a pencil, some tracing paper, a screen to display your reference image, and a camera. Learn to work with one of the most versatile mediums to portray any individual in the most emotional and expressive way.